Hi everyone, Zorimar here. Welcome to my channel. Today I have for you a unboxing and try on video. I'm gonna show you the pieces I selected from Sezane's Grand Spring collection. For the first time, my roster of items is all really neutral. You see a lot of beige, white and browns, no bright colors, really unusual for me. I'm curious to hear what you think about my selection. Before we start, in the description box below you're gonna find useful links, a link to my Facebook group. On there I share discount codes, sale alerts, restock alerts, new collection gossip, and brands I think you're gonna enjoy if you like my Sezane content. I hope you join me on there. I'm also gonna include Instagram. I have an account dedicated to personal style and one dedicated to travel. If you're active on the platform, please stop by and say hi. I'm also gonna include my travel blog. If you're planning any trips, chances are I have some great recommendations for you. If you enjoy watching today's video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Consider subscribing. I would love to see you around more. Now let's get into today's video. The cardigan I'm wearing right now is a piece that I gifted myself for my birthday. The brand is called Line Markvartsen. They are a slow fashion brand based out of Copenhagen. They're really focused on creating forever pieces, really high quality, beautiful detailing, and paying everyone involved in the production along the way a fair living wage. So if one of your resolutions for this year is to expand your wardrobe more into the slow fashion direction, I think this brand should definitely be on your radar. This is the Isabelle Pouch, 100% raffia, a lot of intricate weaving here at the front, and of course this unique chain-like weaved strap. A statement bag for spring and summer. Initially when I saw it in the teaser images, I thought it was a personal piece because it's not quite the aesthetic we're used to getting from Sezane, but I'm really excited to see them expand the brand's universe and introduce us to more intricate and one-of-a-kind pieces. You can wear this bag on your shoulder like this, on your forearm. You cannot wear it crossbody because the strap is quite short. However, you can add an additional strap. You can let the chain hang at the front, and then inside there is this little leather piece that will allow you to insert another strap if you want to. Here's a better look of the interior. It will fit quite a few things: your wallet, your keys, your phone, makeup, a few other items. It's actually quite spacious for its size. Beautiful, gorgeous bag. Another bag that I really wanted to try is the Josie Basket. I fell in love with these flowers. I think they're really cheeky and playful, perfect for spring and summer. You have a really long leather strap that will allow you to wear the bag on your shoulder or crossbody. The bag closes with a magnetic enclosure on top, which again I really appreciate because it does make me nervous when my baskets don't have an enclosure, which is a common case. Altogether, I think Sezane is coming at us swinging with all of these gorgeous raffia options. And while we're talking about statement spring summer bags, I wanted to show you this France's Valentine Basket. They first released it last year and it sold out in a day or two. It also comes in green, blue, and pink color. It's a really fun piece. It doesn't have a strap, you just wear it on your forearm. It has a really secure enclosure and a vibrant, colorful interior. It actually is quite spacious. You can put your phone, wallet, keys, makeup bags, sunglasses, everything will fit in there. It also has a really sturdy frame so it can hold its shape, and you can put it like this on your table. It's just a really fun fun bag that I wanted to show you. I have a discount code for Francis Valentine. It's still valid. I'm gonna include it in the description box below. You can use it on the whole website, but I especially recommend going for the bag or for their square toe Mary Jane flats. This here is the Lucinda Dress, size 34 European, US 2. It's my size and it fits really, really well. If you follow my channel, you know that I initially got the shirt in this print. However, I also got the navy blouse in this print. And after thinking about it, I decided I'm gonna keep the navy blouse in the embroidery and then get the dress. And I'm really happy that I did that because the dress is just so scrumptious, it's comfortable, it's beautiful. All the detailing makes it so versatile. You can wear it as a wedding guest this spring and summer. You can wear it to a more casual brunch with friends. It's just one of these pieces that makes you smile, and I think I'm in love. This here is the Calvin jacket, size 34 European, US 2. The jacket runs a little bit large, but I don't advise you sizing down, because if you size down, I think you're gonna feel restricted when you move, and no one wants that from a jacket. The cut is sophisticated. The material is a mix of cotton and jute, and because of that, when you're weaving jute, you sometimes get these like darker lines that are absolutely normal. You see a lot of that in couches and carpets where jute is heavily used, but I know some of you are really big perfectionists and you don't like these variations. So if that's something that's gonna bother you, just be aware that there will be these like darker lines here and there. For me, I accept it. I love this jacket. I think it's a really great alternative to the Scott trench. It has the same sophistication and elegance level, but let's say you don't necessarily want to layer long layers on you, then this is a good jacket for you. This here is the Matisse Dress, size 34 European, US 2, 100% cotton. It runs slightly big, but I wouldn't recommend you sizing down. It's very comfortable, and it's currently, I think, the piece that's really dividing Sezane's fan base. People either love it or hate it with a vengeance, and I think parts of the reason that people don't like the dress is how it's been styled on the website. It doesn't look quite as beautiful as it does in person. I like the neutral tones. I love the texture. I think what it needs is some gold jewelry, a leather belt, and then you can pair that belt to either flat sandals for a more casual look or heeled sandals for a more dressy look. As of now, I personally am planning to keep it, but I would love to hear your opinion. These are the Cypher Pants, size 34 European, US 2. They fit through to size. I love the neutral colors. Material is a mix of cotton and linen, perfect for warmer weather. Initially, I thought that the pants are enough, but the more I think about it, the more I appreciate that Sezane made a matching sleeveless vest for these pants in the same fabric. I think if you wear the two pieces together, you get this really modern, casual suit option. That is a trend that's going around. We see a lot of two-piece suits, but often other brands execute them in really bright colors. To me, this is a great choice that Sezane has gone with, and I can imagine in my head pairing this sleeveless vest with a pant and then loafers or sneakers and giving it this modern feel that will allow me to feel really comfortable in it. So what do you guys think? Should I get the vest to match the pants? Alright everyone, this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of today's selection, which pieces are your favorite. I want to know. Don't forget, in the description box there is a link to my Facebook group. I hope you join us on there. I share discount codes, sale alerts, restock alerts, and new collection gossip. If you enjoyed watching today's video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Consider subscribing. I'd love to see you around more. Have a wonderful week and see you next time.